Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go.
Here's Wordle number 743 for July 2nd, 2023, a Sunday. Going to start with R-A-I-S-E, my favorite starter word, and look what it does. It only gives me one letter. The letter is an S. It is in the correct position. That means the vowels will be Y-O-R-U. So I am going to use youth because it has those three vowels. It also has a T and an H. Let's see what happens. Now I have three letters, two in the correct place, and I have a Y as well. So let's see what could possibly happen here. The Y cannot go as the first letter. The O goes here. I have to figure out what goes here. The S goes here. If I put the Y here, what would work? Noisy, but the I is not available. Lousy, the U is not available. I think there's a possibility an O might go here, an S and a Y. Is there a word that would work here? Moosey? I don't think that's a word. Goosey? Goosey. G-O-O-S-Y. I don't think that's a word. G-O-O-S-Y. Are there any other ones? I don't think so. If this is a word, I mean, this is really, really strange. But if it's O-O-S-Y, I'm not sure if goosey is a word. It is. All right, I know where the Y goes. So X-O-X-S-Y. Okay. To figure this out, I have to get the middle letter. So what consonant goes before the S? Previously, I thought there were two O's. Now I'm thinking there are two S's. So X-O-S-S-Y. What will work here? The first word is bossy, B-O-S-S-Y, and the other word is mossy. I think those are the only two words that could work. If there are two S's, I'm just going to have to flip a coin and choose one. So I think I'm either going to get it in 4 or I am going to get it in 5. So I am going to go with bossy. I think bossy is a little more common than mossy. So cross my fingers. Nope, I missed. I hate it when more than one word can work. So it's gotta be mossy, right? It's gotta be. If it's not, then I am not going to get it today. Yep, mossy. Could have had it in 4, got it in 5. I probably should not have used goosey. That was pretty dumb. But mossy is today's Wordle of the day.
So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.